Hello and welcome to free .NET tutorials. This is Emmanuel Mendu. In this video we will see what is a session state and what are the properties of session state, how it is used, and we will see an example of session state. Before going to the example, we just see what is a session state. Session state, it maintains the values, like it maintains value format data or reference format data in the server machine. Whenever if you want to use like security, like for the bank project, like the application should close in 20 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes if the user is not using anything. So that is what you can use with session state. And one more thing you can use, that you can pass data from one page to another page using this session state. Okay, let's see some basics of session state. The basic of session state is it stores the data in server machine by default in 20 minutes. You can store it like 1000 minutes also if you give like timeout property for that. Like when you close your application, they automatically deletes all your server session state values in our server machine. Let's go and create a new website, so that see, coming to our properties here, timeout. The timeout property, we can set the expiry time to the session object or value, and remove all. You see, remove and remove all properties. You can remove the session state in the server machine by clicking remove button, or you can remove all session at a time. Okay, let's go and create a website and click OK here. You go to design mode, and we need 2 text boxes. I'm just asking the user to enter his username and password to enter his inbox. Let's put a like sign in. Before that, username and password. So when the user clicked on sign in, just double click on that. You just write like if text box 1 dot text double equal to ABC or annual, and text box 2 dot text equal to 1 2 3 4. Close it. If true, if condition is true, so let's respond. Or before going to response dot redirect, we just store our username in a session of x equal to text box 1 dot text. I'm just storing my username in the session like this. You use square boxes in C#.NET and normal brackets in our VB.NET. Just don't confusion in that things, like session dot timeout equal to 1. The session timeout will take as a minutes. So in our case it takes 1 minute. It stores in 1 minute, and after the 4 minutes it expires. So we need to we need to create a page. Let's create a page now, my inbox page. Before that, I just prompt a user that he entered the details are wrong, like response right. Let's write sorry, wrong details. Okay, let's create a new page here, new web page, and click OK. Let's go to design mode, and you just write welcome and just a label to display the username. And this is inbox, sent items, like that. You can use a button to make the user to sign out. So sign out. Okay, let's see how it works now. You just double click on the page, the inbox page here. Let's put it as inbox page. Just double click on the page, so you see a page load event. Just write if session of X expires, so it should be null. It should redirect to our first page, that is sign in page. Redirect to default.aspx. Okay, if not, if else, label one dot text equal to session of X. What is the session of X is my name, the username. Okay, let's click on the sign in button. Just write like session dot remove what we got here, a session name of like X. So we just write this thing here. After removing that, directly go to our first page. So let's go and run our program now. When I run this program, you won't see, okay, see some errors here. Oops, I forgot equal to here. Okay, so let's run now, and you see our default page, like sign in page. When I enter like immo and some things like this, when you click on sign in, you see some wrong details entered. So Emmanuel 1 2 3 4, we sign in. So we mistaken here, like we didn't write the inbox page here. Inbox.aspx. So when I run now and I enter my Emmanuel and 1 2 3 4, and when I click on sign in, you see welcome Emmanuel. See, I'm taking the Emmanuel name from one page to another page. That is what the session does. When I click on sign out, it's signing out for my inbox page and it's taking to my first page. Okay, that's it. The session state of you can use like you can use session state as like you can use like the timeout property for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you just refresh the page so that it goes to the sign in page again. Try that. If you got any doubts, you can ask me, and see you in other new application. Bye bye.